Before installing your MagView B1, start by measuring your binocular eyepiece to ensure the correct fit. Calipers are the most accurate option, but a measuring tape will also work. Using the MagView binocular fitment chart, use your measurement to determine which MagView model is the correct fit for your optic. Inside the box, you'll find the B1 adapter and an included tapered ring designed for tapered eye cups. If your optic has tapered eye cups, install the tapered ring first to help create a secure fit. If your eye cups are straight, the ring is not needed. For the best experience, we recommend installing the adapter on the left side binocular eyepiece. This helps prevent the eye cup from rotating due to the weight of the phone, while allowing your camera to look through the right side. Slide the B1 adapter onto the eyepiece and tighten the screw using the included wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten. Now attach your phone, and you're ready to start digiscoping with MagView.